Welcome back to the Coding Problem series. Today, we are tackling a classic easy to medium difficulty problem, word pattern matching. This question frequently appears in technical interviews and is an excellent way to understand hash maps and bijections. Here is the challenge. We are given a pattern string, made up of characters, and a separate string containing words separated by spaces. We need to determine if the string of words follows the same sequence structure as the pattern. Specifically, we are looking for a bijection or a one-to-one mapping between each character in the pattern and each word in the string. Let's look at a successful example to clarify. If our pattern is abba and our string is dog, cat, cat, dog, we can see a clear relationship. The letter A maps to the word dog and the letter B maps to the word cat. The pattern repeats, A then B then B then A. The words follow the exact same order. Dog then cat then dog. This returns true. Now consider a failing case. We use the same pattern abba. The first three words match our expectation. Dog, cat, cat. However, the final word is fish instead of dog. Since the letter O was established to mean dog at the start, encountering fish creates a conflict. Therefore, this returns false. The mathematical concept behind this is bijection. It is strictly a two-way street. Not only must every character map to a unique word, but every word must map back to that unique character. You cannot have two different characters, like A and B, both mapping to the word dog. That would violate the one-to-one rule. To solve this, we follow a simple algorithm. First, split the sentence into a list of individual words. Immediately check if the number of words matches the length of the pattern. If not, it is impossible to match. Next, we iterate through the pattern and words together. We will use two hash maps, one to track character-to-word mappings and another for word-to-character mappings. This ensures the bijection holds both ways. Here is the Python implementation. We start by splitting the string. We check the lengths. Then, we initialize two dictionaries. As we loop through the paired character and word, we check if a mapping already exists. If the current character maps to a different word, or the current word maps to a different character, we return false immediately. If no conflict exists, we save the new mapping. If we finish the loop without issues, we return true. This solution is highly efficient. The time complexity is big O of n, where n is the length of the string, because we process each word exactly once. The space complexity is big O of m, where m is the number of unique words or characters we need to store in our hash maps. To wrap up, remember three things. 1. Always validate the input length first. 2. Use two hash maps to guarantee a true one-to-one correspondence, preventing edge cases where different keys point to the same value. And 3. This linear time solution is optimal for this type of pattern matching problem.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.